What's on the show? The washing machine is tumbling away. Welcome to the new kitchen via whatever space this is. So I'm back there, hang on. Shut the door. Still got the magnets. Of course we have. Here we go. Now, this is a newer and lovelier work surface, and I will be in deep what's it if I make a mess of this. Anyway, what's been going on? Well, I've got the canopy on. I've got some guns on. A lot of sellotape as well. Oh, prongs and things. More guns. Guns. All need tidying up and trimming. So we're nearly there. I am deeply frustrated by the gappy nature. You won't be able to see it. Huge chasm there and similar underneath. And I've been trying to hold it together. I have used frog tape. I have used masking tape. I've tried a clamp, but it nearly broke the model. So I have laced it with sellotape as a last resort, and tomorrow morning I will rip it all off with glee or cut it, and hopefully the thing will be holding together somewhat. It has mashed those two prongs underneath. I think one's gone. I will have to put that back in. But that's us so far. We are nearly there, and it is nearly okay, but it is definitely a mess. You know what I mean. Oh, by the way, that's the dishwasher in the background. They're all off and running. Right, I'm off to listen to ghost stories.